Do you want to know the secret to live a fulfilling life? Do you ever wonder why the most successful of people donate huge amounts of money to charity? Bill Gates has given more than $50 billion to charity since 1994. A number of studies have found that being kind to others and being a better person overall is the secret to having a more fulfilling life. Kindness is the key to authentically being a better person. I'm trying to be a kinder and a more caring person, and I want to encourage you to do the same. Why? What's in it for me? I am definitely going to tell you that in this video. And although you and I probably can't donate a lot of money to charities, but we can definitely do some simple things that will make us kinder. And I'm going to list out 12 such things in this video. Hi guys, my name is Yash. My goal is to help you level up in life and become a better version of yourself. So, how does being kind benefit you? Studies have shown that doing kind things for others minimizes stressful emotions. These kind things don't have to be huge, like donating to charity. They can be as simple as holding the door open for a stranger or offering a couple of minutes of help to a coworker or a colleague. Second, being kind is a universally attractive quality. According to a 2019 study by the Journal of Personality, you become more attractive when you're kind. Don't we all want to be happier people? Being kind also elevates your mood and makes you a happier person. The social approval, the feel-good vibes of being kind to others, and that warm smile someone gives you when you're kind to them. There's something thrilling and deeply satisfying about making other people happy. It just feels right. That joy also translates into some super helpful benefits for you. For example, it improves your sense of self-worth. And we can talk about self-worth in another video. But having a good self-worth is brilliant. It's required. And of course, overall being kind also helps you lead a fulfilling life. By now you must have realized that being kind not only brightens up someone else's day, it also makes you a better person and improves your life as well, in so many different ways. The question is, how can we infuse a little more kindness into our lives? Imagine you treated everyone the way you want to be treated. You would constantly exceed everyone's expectations, and that is the kindest thing you can do. But I understand that's easier said than done. Now I'm going to list out 12 simple things you can do to be kind. 1. When you believe in someone, tell them, convey your support to them, encourage them when they are uncertain or unmotivated. Number 2. Smile more often. I have mentioned this in another video where I spoke about how to improve your social skills, and smiling is the simplest thing you can do. You can find that video here. Next time you're walking down the road, just smile at everyone you encounter. You might be surprised at how many smiles you get back. It's infectious. Okay, right now when you're wearing a mask, you think that it's not visible that you're smiling, but when you smile, your eyes squint, and that shows the person that you're smiling. Avoid complaining about things. That just makes you a more likable person in general. Your mom made a burnt roti for you? So what? Laugh it off. It's okay. Don't complain about that. At least she made a roti for you. Listen to someone who has a problem. Being a good listener is a skill that shows that you are empathetic and that you're understanding. And that is kind. The easiest way to be a good listener is to just listen and not interrupt with your advice. Help a coworker. When you see your colleague in real difficulty because of a scary deadline or anything else, lend them a helping hand. Give someone a genuine compliment. Tell your loved ones they are beautiful. When people look gorgeous, tell them. Comment on their Instagram post or send them a text telling them how good they look. Do extra chores once in a while so that the people you're living with have one less thing to worry about. Take the garbage out or clean the utensils. Clean the house, clean the bathroom. Be nice to people you dislike. Kill them with kindness. Send out a kind email or a handwritten note. Handwritten notes are the best. When you're sending a kind email, be sure to tag their boss. Help someone out in a practical way without being asked. Before someone asks you for help, help them. Help them clean up or help them pick something up if something has fallen down. These little things count. They matter a lot. When you consciously start looking for opportunities to help people, you will realize that you can help them in so many ways without going out of your way, by just being a little kinder. Hold open the door for the person behind you, or hold the elevator if you see someone rushing towards the elevator. And the final one, pay it forward. Share this video with the people you care about. I want to urge you to perform one act of kindness every day for the next 2 weeks. and continue after that if you feel like it, if that's something that makes you happy. Because being kind and being nice is the way of the heart. Kindness is always a choice. The more conditioned we are to respond with kindness, the more natural it becomes for us. I want to end this video on this note. The world is only as dark a place as we allow it to become. So let's not let it. Do you have more ideas on how we can be kinder? In simple ways, make sure you comment those down below. Thank you for watching this video. Let's level up together. Why? What's in it for me? Why? What's in it for me, huh? You become more kind when you're attractive. Just say that, वाह, आज तो रोटी बहुत अच्छी बनी है. And be funny about it. Don't be mean. Don't be sarcastic, please. If someone is just complaining to you, just hear them out. But they shouldn't be complaining, right? It's okay, let them complain. But you don't complain.